My name is AIMAN ZULKIFLI. My registration number is 14 DUP 18M 1040. I am from Department of Tourism and Hospitality. I am from class DUP 6B. Today I am going to do a presentation about industrial training. Presentation. The organization background of my company is Skytrack Adventure Park Langkawi. So it is located at Jalan Pantai Kok, Jalan Mukim Padang Maksirat, Langkawi, Kedah. The mission of the organization is becoming a leader in the creation and management of adventure parks in Southeast Asia. My company vision is to see the public closer to the natural environment through fun and educative eco-recreational activities. Our company telephone hotline number is 019-280-5679. The objectives of the company is to provide eco-recreational activities and to broad spectrum of society in total safety and paying respect to the environment. The business hour is in between 8:30 AM and 6 PM. Depending on the customer movement. Activity from week 1 to week 10. I myself come to report at Langkawi's Skytrack Adventure Park and meet the student supervisor staff at there and being briefed about the activities carried out and so what could be done and not during the program. The Skytrack maintenance activity is studying up the cleaning in the Skytrack area, perform tasks directed by the officer, site visit around the circuit, and officer introduce activity venues. So in our first week to 10 weeks, we are to recognize the park and to know the circuit there, there are 3 circuit there, the job to be done, what we should to do as a intern, what job for intern to do, and there's a lot thing that I learned from week 1 to week 10. Next is week 11 to week 20. We learn about how to give a proper briefing and learn how to be a rescuer and fix the cause of the circuit and how to maintain the Skytrack places. So first we learn about how to give a proper briefing. We have a paper about instruction on how to wear the harness, on how to properly wear it. Next we learn on how to be a rescuer for the customer if they are hanging at the rope during the activity there. So we learn how to calm people during the activities. We learn how to communicate with people. We learn how to solve the problem that we face as an instructor. Next is we do a Skytrack circuit inspection every day. We inspect the circuit and on the platform, between platforms, to identify if there are any damages or broken, like the wood or the rope. So next is the project industrial Sky Match event. So the Sky Match event was handled by interns and with the help of the staff to give a proper explanation on how to do an event. We were required to brief and to be a facilitator during the event, and we especially manage the event on our side with the help of the staff. Is instruction the customer tourist. So as myself, we were required to become an instructor of Skytrack in order to learn new knowledge. The student will lead the tourists to the following course, help to guide the tourists while doing activities ongoing. So we were capable of doing instruction and giving a briefing to the customer on ourselves without the help of the staff. This is a SUREP project. We were given a task to do a KPL project as an intern in Skytrack Langkawi. We come up with a plan to do a SUREP project for the customer during the activities there, to put their shoes. So the outcome after finishing making project is satisfied with the staff. We reveal our skill on how to do a proper rack by doing from the grey item like plywood. And next we were given a good feedback from the staff on how they accomplish on the SUREP project. As a polytechnic, do site visit toward the internship before listing in the place internship to make sure it's suitable for the student, and list out internship companies that are suitable for your department. Next, for the company, give a chance to the student to voice up their opinion and to share the idea, and give cooperation with the student and know their need as internship student. So as a student, we must learn a lot new thing at the company on how to be a productive person and how to do a work properly. Next is conclusion. This show the industrial training program was improved student awareness in technology and learns about hands-on experience on how to do a real job, and it can lead to be a leadership, and student must be required to give a full responsibility and the ability to execute and perform the task given by the company.